in the wall. The second on the wall is a more height than 157 meters to the up. It's an open to the people.
Yun o, nakabot na. Lesa
Right.
Experience.
Lesa is a zip line.
Zip line. Taro Lesa.
Like this is to the up, this is to the view. This is to the lighthouse. This is up and down. This is opening to the 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
To the club, 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, Paro Lesa.
Right, we head to the Faro Master to the side. This is to the
Yeah.
Faro
Paro Masatlan.
Okay. This is to the office. This is, you can buy to the ticket for the up to the
up.
Faro Lesa.
Okay. Wow.
This is to the office.
Masalay Adventure. Masalay Adventure, yeah.
It's a good weather today.
I know, very cool, yeah. Cool area. Viaje, paseo, bla bla. Bebidas, snacks. Wow, ganda. Wow, very cool. Nice weather today. Beautiful. Flota, Sabala, La Piota. Hello, Isla de la Piedad.
This is to the Stone Island. This is, you take right into the water taxi, run the race, ticket.
Embarcadero Titanic.
Yeah.
Titanic, Paseo de Banday.
This is the 40 pesos, run the race to the Stone Island.
40 pesos. Wow, senyor. Oh, we're gonna go up.
To the up, this building.
Maybe, bahay,
This is to the restaurant.
There's a restaurant. Taas.
Mexican food and the seafood.
Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow.
This is a beautiful place. You wanna go there? You can up to the stairs.
Oh, no, it's too high, no. I cannot go up anymore. Look, oh, it's too high, oh. Wow, no,
This is
no.
to the Hungary.
No pwede. No pwede, senyor. Too much, yeah. It's too high, me, oh. Pwede ka mahulog dyan.